If you have been wondering how can you turn on the profile views on your TikTok account, today in this video I'll show you exactly how, so let's jump right into it. First, of course, we need to go ahead and open TikTok and then head out to your profile by tapping right here in the bottom right corner. You'll find this little symbol next to the three lines in the top right corner. Tap on it, and from here you can check out the profile views and activate them, just like that. Now if you can't find it here, you can tap on the three lines in the top right corner and then tap right here on settings and privacy. Tap on privacy and then scroll all the way down to the bottom. Now tap on profile views and make sure this option is turned on, just like that. Once you have it on, you should be good to go. You can go ahead and go back to your profile and tap again on this symbol in the top right corner, and you can check out your profile views from here, just like that. And that is it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one, and thanks for watching.